Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Webflow eCommerce UI for product cards and galleries step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project you want to update. Navigate to the designer view. Locate the collection list that contains your product cards. Click on the collection list to open its settings. Select the product card you wish to customize. In the Style panel, adjust the spacing, padding, and margins as needed. Change the background color to match your brand. Select the image element within the product card. Upload or choose a new product image from the Assets panel. Adjust the image settings to fit your design. If applicable, add a hover effect to the product card for better interactivity. Next, proceed to the text elements on the product card. Edit the product title to ensure it's clear and concise. Customize the font, size, and color of the title in the Style panel. Move to the price element and update the style to emphasize the cost. Ensure the price stands out using contrasting colors. Add any additional information you want to display, such as ratings or stock levels. Once you are satisfied with the product card design, save your changes. Now, navigate to the Gallery section of your e-commerce site. Select the gallery component you want to modify. Change the layout of the gallery using the Style panel settings. Experiment with various grid options to see which one displays your products best. Adjust the margin and padding for each product in the gallery. Make sure all images are consistent in size for a cohesive look. Review the transitions and animations for the gallery items. Test the responsiveness of your product cards and galleries by resizing your browser. Make necessary adjustments for mobile, tablet, and desktop views. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.